How to use LawDepot NDA agreement templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using LawDepot NDA agreement templates can save you time, but most beginners make mistakes that could render the agreement ineffective. The surprising truth is that a small oversight can cost you legal protection you thought you had. The first mistake is leaving the scope of the NDA too vague. NDA must clearly define what information is confidential. Simply stating all business information is not enough. Specify categories like client lists, financial data, or trade secrets to avoid disputes later. Another common error is not tailoring the NDA to the parties involved. A one-size-fits-all template may not address contractors, employees, or business partners correctly. Make sure the template reflects the relationship and the obligations of each party. Many users overlook the duration of confidentiality. NDA should clearly state how long the information must remain private. Without this, enforcement can be challenging if a dispute arises. Neglecting legal compliance is another pitfall. NDAs must align with local and state laws. For example, some states limit enforceability for certain employee agreements. Always check that your NDA complies with your jurisdiction. Finally, some assume that just sending the NDA is enough. Ensure all parties sign and receive a copy. A missing signature can void the agreement entirely. To use LawDepot NDA agreement templates properly, define confidential information clearly, tailor the template to your relationship, set a proper duration, ensure legal compliance, and get all signatures. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll protect your business and sensitive information effectively.